reduce the number of clicks it takes for someone to get from your featured section to your landing page. Let me show you how to do that. If you look at this featured section, you can see, first of all, this graphic right here is smaller than this graphic. That's the first thing I noticed. And the second thing is I noticed I need to fix my graphic because I got my text cut off on the end. That's a conversation for another day with me. The next thing you see, if I click on this right here, it opens up this overlay and it lets me look at the graphic again. And then it lets me click on view, which will take me to the landing page. That's 2 clicks to get there. And actually, more so than that, there was a big old pause right here for me to consider, do I really want to get there? How do you get rid of that pause? And how do you get rid of the extra click? Let me show you how to do that. Edit this item right here. Take out this text right here, delete it, and hit save. Now, by the way, if I come back to my LinkedIn profile, and look at it. First of all, the box is bigger. I still need to fix my graphics so it shows up right. It needs to be a square image instead of a rectangle. But look, there's no text down here other than the title. Now when I click on this, look what happens. It goes straight to the landing page. It even stays in the same window and goes straight to the landing page. And if I had written a compelling landing page, this may work for me. Bottom line, if you want to reduce that extra click and get rid of that pause, when you add featured items, external links to your content, what you want to do is not put in the description. And then when the user clicks on it, it's going to go straight to your landing page. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.